Hello everyone, we are the students of NGM Senior Secondary School and my name is Aditya Verma.
My name is Abhas Kumar Manchur.
My name is Akshay Tripathi.
We all are studying in class 10. Under ATL Adult Thinking Lab, we have a group named Young Minds. Now as you have seen that functioning of fire sensor, we have made an automatic room light controller which is based on IR sensor. For this project, we need some components which are
A breadboard for temporary connections. A holder for holding the LED. The LED which will act as our load. The LCD which will act as the monitor. The IR sensor which will detect the presence and absence of the object. The double channel relay which is a high voltage electrical switch. Arduino Uno, which is a brain of our project. Some male-to-male jumper wires for making some connections.
So now it's time for connecting all the components. So we are connecting this LCD with our breadboard. We are using this male-to-male jumper wire and connecting to the VSS pin of the LCD to ground pin of the Arduino. We are connecting the VDD pin of LCD to 5 volt pin of Arduino. We are connecting RW pin to the ground pin of the board. So we can also connect this RW pin here because this all 5 columns are interconnected. So I am connecting this to the first side of this board. Now it's time for connecting the RW pin with ground and RS pin with 12 number pin. Now it's time for connecting the E pin with 11 number pin of our Arduino. Now we will connect this D4, D5, D6 and D7 from these Arduinos 10, 9, 8 and 7. D4 is connected. D5 is connected. D6 is connected. And this final D7 pin is also connected. And now there are 2 pins left, anode and cathode. We are connecting this anode to VDD of our LCD. And I am connecting this cathode to the VSS of our LCD. So our LCD is connected. Now it's time for connecting IR sensor. I am connecting this. For connecting this we will require male to female jumper wire. First I am connecting this output pin with this red male female jumper wire. I am connecting this blue male female jumper wire to the VC output pin and this VCC pin with this grey color male to female jumper wire. So now we will connect this output pin to the third number pin of our Arduino board. We will connect this ground to the cathode, because cathode is also receiving 5 negative power. And the VCC pin to the anode. So our IR sensor is also completed. So now it's time for connecting relay. So I am connecting this black wire to the VCC pin. I am connecting this purple wire to the I and second number pin. I am connecting this red wire to I and first number pin. And this red wire to the out GND pin. So now it's time for connecting it with our board. I am connecting this VCC pin to the VDD pin. I am connecting this output directly in this Arduino board because there is one ground pin left. And this input 2 in 6 number pin and input 1 in D7 number pin. So our all hardware part is completed. So now it's time for software part.
So for the software part, we have to write a program in Arduino IDE.
First, we are taking RSS constant. RS is connected to 12. EN is connected to 11. D4 is connected to 10. And D5 connected to 9. And D6 connected to 8. And D7 connected to 7.
We have taken int x is equal to 0 for making the project by default at rest in the very beginning.
So now it's time for the void setup. In void setup, we have to write the code, and now in LCD it will take all the 16 rows and 2 columns. Whenever in the first row the LCD will print room light controller. We are written this controller in short. So this pin mode 6 and 7 are connected with the IR sensor, so these are outputs. And at starting, by default, we have written that digital write 6 high. That means the code will giving power to it and also to the 7th one. And pin mode 3 is the input, which is connected with the relay. Now it's time for void loop. In void loop, whenever the digital read 3 is low, X will be low. It means the power will be off. And in the second column of the LCD, it will display human form. And when pin mode 6 will be high, then it means that we are giving it power, so that will show that human is found. And while human leaves the room, it will represent human not found. as digital pin 6 and 7 both are low, x equal to low, that's why it will show human not found, and otherwise else digital read 3 will be low by default. So our software part is also completed. Now it's time for testing. So our all connection is completed. Now it's time for testing. So this is our Arduino board. We are giving power with our laptop. This is LCD. This is our IR sensor. This is relay module which is connected with our load, which we are giving first, and we are connected with our AC connection of our home and school, and we are giving this power to relay with this board. So now it's time for final testing.
So for starting the testing, we have to first turn on the switch.
So now the bulb is getting power. So as you have seen, whenever the object is coming in front of it, it turn off and on. So whenever a person enters, it shows human found, and whenever the person leaves, it shows human not found. So this is our final project. Hope you liked it. In future we are planning to add solar panels in it, and we can also switch this IR sensor with any other kind of sensor like AR sensor and any other. So thank you for watching our video. Please
Like, share and subscribe for more videos.